H&M, one of the biggest fashion brands in the world. But how does it make billions while selling trendy clothes at affordable prices? Let's break down H&M's business model and uncover the secret behind its success. Fast fashion, the secret to low prices. H&M follows the fast fashion model, where new styles are designed, produced, and sold quickly. How it works? Trendy designs inspired by luxury brands. Mass production keeps costs low. And also, quick turnaround. New collections are every new weeks. For example, if a designer brand launches a 50,000 rupees dress, H&M makes a similar version for rupees 2000 within weeks. What is the benefit? More people buy because it's stylish and affordable. Low cost production made in developing countries. Ever wondered how H&M keeps prices so low? Manufacturing in low cost countries. They have factories in Bangladesh, China, India, and Turkey. Also, because of lower wages and bulk production, it leads to cheap clothing. For example, a t-shirt costs H&M just rupees 200 to make, but they sell it for rupees 800, a 400% markup. Talking about the profit strategy, high sales volume with low cost production, physical stores and online expansion. H&M has 4,000 plus stores worldwide, but online shopping is its future. Talking about the revenue split, they get 60% from stores and 40% from online sales. For example, in 2023, H&M's online sales grew by 30%, boosting profits. Smart move, right? Combining physical stores, online shopping, which equals to more customers. Sustainability strategy, marketing or real change. H&M promotes sustainability, but is it real or just marketing? Recycle fabrics and organic cotton initiatives. Also, clothing recycling program where customers get discounts. Some of the critics call it greenwashing, which means promoting eco-friendly fashion while still producing tons of waste. Talking about the strategy, sustainability boosts H&M's brand image by keeping customers loyal. In conclusion, why is H&M so successful? H&M's business model is simple. Fast fashion plus low cost production plus global reach. With billions in revenue, H&M dominates fashion. But will sustainability challenges affect its future? What do you think? Is fast fashion a good business or bad for the environment? Comment down below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.